guys, today we'll be making an adorable curly spring deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have an 18-inch wreath ring, 6-inch mesh, also ribbon in a couple of different colors and sizes, Chanel stems, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut all of my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems into thirds. Now what I'm going to do is make all of my bundles, and then once I get all the bundles made, I'll start placing them on the ring. I feel like this process is just a lot faster. When you have all the bundles made, it's easy to just place them on the ring one after the other. That's the way I prefer to do it. You can have as many pieces of mesh in each bundle as you prefer. I'm going to go with one of my white, mint, and yellow in each bundle. I'll have 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. Sometimes I go with 4, sometimes 5. For this specific wreath, I'm going to have 1 of each color, but sometimes if I have like 5 colors, I'll alternate the colors between the bundles just to make it a little more fun. Alright, and I'm just going to roll my mesh to a curl. I'm going to do this for all 3 colors. Crisscross, and then same for my last color, crisscross. And when I cross them, I like to make sure that all of the colors are visible, nothing is overlapping, so you can see everything when the wreath is complete. Scrunch it in the center, take my stem, and then twist it around my bundle, and then you can kind of flare it out and fluff it and make it look so cute. Now what I am going to do is alternate the color order. I always like to do that just because I want every color visible, and it just looks so much more colorful that way. But if you're going with a certain look, then hey, definitely go for whatever you prefer. So again, just remember to crisscross all of the colors, scrunch, take my stem and twist it a couple of times, just like that. So I'm just going to make all of my bundles, alternating the color order. Once they're all in place, then we'll start adding it to our wreath ring. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make all of my bundles, and then we'll move on to the next step. You can see they all look slightly different, which when they come together is going to be so cute. And you could even do like solid bundles, like if you want a bundle of yellow, a bundle of the mint, and a bundle of the white, you can do that as well. So now that I have all of my bundles made, we're going to start placing them on the wreath ring. I am using the 18-inch wreath ring, so the placement is going to be slightly different from if I were using the 16-inch wreath ring. But I will link videos in the description box down below showing you that method if you want to use a smaller ring instead. But for the larger wreath ring, you have a couple of options. You can go with just the center ring all the way around, or you can alternate from the outer, center, inner ring all the way around. What I usually do is alternate just because it makes for a fuller wreath. But again, if you want to go with 10-inch mesh and go with just the center ring, you can do that as well. You can even alternate outer, center, outer, center, outer, center if you want to do so. Possibilities are endless. I'm going to take my bundle and place it on the outer ring, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. And it will move a little bit. That's fine. Once you get more bundles placed, you will be able to kind of stabilize it better. The next bundle is going to go on the center ring. And then on the inner ring. And what I try to do is alternate the color that I have on top for each bundle. Again, I feel like it just helps me to make sure each color is visible, and it looks just more fun and whimsical when you can see all the different colors and one isn't hidden away behind another. So again, you can like twist and adjust and maneuver, but I usually do that more so once I have more bundles placed. Alright, so we're just going to continue going all the way around the ring. So I've added bundles to half of my sections. It's looking so cute and curly already. I have 4 bundles in each section just to kind of fill out the outer portion there. Alright, so once you have all the mesh in place, I just kind of adjust and maneuver because I can do so a little bit better now. You can definitely go with more or less, whatever you prefer, but I feel like that makes a pretty decent sized wreath. But you can definitely add any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add in ribbons, bows, flowers, an adorable sign to the center, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. And I decided to add this adorable bow to my wreath. I will link a video in the description box down below showing you in more detail how to make an adorable and simple little bow.